So, hey guys, it's me. Damn, the game volume's loud. Oh, there you go. So, yeah, it's me. Now, I haven't done an episode on this in like 5 months. Obviously, because this game takes a long time to progress in, and I don't have very good editing skills. So I'm gonna try to edit this video as best as I can, like cut in parts where you guys obviously don't need to see. I'm gonna leave this part in so you can hear it. And yeah, obviously last time I tried it, I used my controller. The sensitivity on moving wasn't so good, so I'm gonna use the WASD keys. And let's just see how it goes on from then. So it takes WASD and mouse. I think it'd do better. So, without further ado, let's continue on. Whee! I hope I left my mouse in the game so you could see. Or maybe that's bad. I have no idea what your guys' opinion is, but I'll see. In your opinion, what's better, if I should leave my mouse on screen or should I just toggle it off? Loading, look at this little jelly guy, or slime guy up there. This icon indicates auto-saving in progress. Yes, that. That's a chicken right there. And there's another chicken with a big head, butt thing. I forget what they're called. It went silent. Did the game crash? Okay, there we go. Oh god. I need to get used to the buttons here. Yes, I choose. Fudge, man. Move my mouse all around. Yeah, that seems good. Let's test it. Oh, fuck. I need to get rid of this mouse pad. Hang on. The mouse pad makes it limited to where I can go, and this is not good for my game. And so, yeah. Let's see what you guys did. Oh, frick. I forgot they're rowdy. They're rowdy little guys. Oh, I went back in. I forget how to switch. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's been a while since I played this game, so just hold your horses. So let's go back into the world. Actually, this is gonna be kind of painful. I'm just gonna use my freaking. Oh wait, no, I need more mouse sensitivity. I don't know what I did. Hey, you guys are just pooping like crazy now. Not you. Ah. Wee. Now let's see, what was on the agenda? I got rid of that guy because I have a slime key, or maybe it was something else. I think I unlocked Indigo Quarry. Oh, you scared me. Hey, little sucker. Crap. Go back to your home. You're hungry as frick, but I don't care. But no, that's cannibalism. I was gonna say eat the other guys. This looks dangerous, so I'm just gonna. Oh, hello. Okay, it looks like they've been calmed. Nope, never mind. Oh, they're gonna eat me. Oh, gross. That's terrifying. Let's open dish. Expert. What am I doing? Oh, it's talking flashlight. There's a flashlight? Oh, that's cool. Open sesame. Wait, this is my first line. Is this Indigo Quarry? Indigo Quarry! Mine, oh mine! What does this guy have to say? That's so. I was always happiest when I was by my lonesome. Places like this old quarry really suited me. Nice and quiet and mostly empty. So I figured that life on the far, far range would suit me just as well. And I cannot speak for some reason. And well, wouldn't you know, just know it. I come to all this way to end the screw it. I'll let you guys just read that. Care about this. Anything down there, that's death. And it is empty. That's beautiful. Hey guys, the wrong thing. What I just an odd onion. Oh, there's boys. Okay, yeah, screw the pogo fruit. Hey boys, hey, want some food? Everyone, I'm here to see. What are you? Boom slime. Boom. Boom. Oh, you already mixed. Oh, yeah. Hey, gimme. It's about done. Like a connections. Okay, I don't think I need phosphorus in too. They're kind of crap. Get out of here! Ow. Where'd he go? You guys just handle that for yourself. I don't have any water. That's the next thing I'm gonna have to get. The water tap. I just gotta be right here. That should be better. That's a little better. Why is it like not that kind of setting? I don't have any. Ah, fudge. Okay, that's death down there. Waiting sucks. There we go. Took me almost. That took me almost all that I had to get me off that. Oh shit! I almost fell off. So where'd you next? Wee! Maybe up there. Oh, I can't. Ow, my ankles. I think we should go back to the place. Avoid the tar slimes. Oh crap. Bunch of crapsicles. They're all in the entrance. Oh frick. Ah! Gonna die. Oh my god. Oh my god, hey, it's you. They're not in here, are they? They can't come in here, right? Ooh, this ought to be shiny. I can't get up there. I hope they can't come in here. I should really stock up on water. Something like that. Sweet! There's 2 slime keys in this area, apparently. I don't have any food for you. This is 11 minutes. Yeah, so see how minimal freaking progress you can get. Like if you watch other players, like other YouTubers, like Jacksepticeye and others, you see how many times they have to cut through it to grow out their video. That's what I'm gonna have to do. So just bear with me, people, while I try with very poor editing skills to do this. I cannot jump. I cannot jump, but I'm somehow. Ooh. That did not work as the slight bit. There we go. Stony hen. What did I just find? Oh, come on. Where'd it go? Dang it. Where did I find it? There it is. I think your favorite was Heartbeat, right? Let's see. It fit. Yeah, your favorite is a Heartbeat. How am I gonna get back? That's my question. Hopefully they're all gone. Did they, like, go away? They go away! Thank God. I can go back home. I can go home. What the hell are you? You're a rooster. You're not a cock. So, either that, or I'll have to. Either if my editing doesn't work, I'll just have to upload a bunch of parts per day. But I don't want 50 parts of this. So no, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, but really. So, let's go back. I was floating for a second without using jet. Back home, I think. I don't. Where? Oh yeah, this is the right way. Oh my god, that sound was immense. You had no wings for a second. So, X to activate, if I can even... what is your diet? Meat. So fight over that one. Fight over it. Oh wait, I have another one. No! Not that. Well, no. Fuck. I have 6, it'll work. Oh, I should have given them pink ports. Anyway. Where is it? What the hell? How the hell? I swear, alright. Oh, this button also targets flashlight. Oh, I thought you were gonna bounce. You're killing each other! Please, what the hell is happening with you? Did you eat that? Thank you. Aw, that's adorable. Not his face. I have 2. Oh, my brain. I think I just saw the floor fly out. I'm gonna have to have like a out-of-safety net or something so the ports don't fly out. Where the hell is that other one? The fudgesicles. Yes, what the fudgesicles? Only 7? You little snitch. Little stitch. Who are you? Thora West, help me out here, and I'll make sure you get what's owed. You're old. You're like 75 years old. What is it? I have to No. Oh. Okay. Where's the other guy? Okay, there he is. I thought you blew him out for a second. Only 250, a couple rock parts and a tabby part, and some odd ones out onions. Yes, the odd ones out onions. Let's go. Ow, my eyes. That hurts. Beautiful. Can I just get dash? Of course. No. What I need first is the water tank. Do I have any arms? Oh, my boys! I forgot I had you. Oh no, I do look so hungry. Ah, that's the outdoor, I think, yeah. Should I unlock this? No. Oh crap. No, don't eat them. Don't eat them. I need money. I don't need you. I don't need you. Oh my god. Yes, that's money. Money. Oh my god, this is... Gimme. Not you! I cannot give you shit! I'm gonna have to stock up 20 and then head back home. This is my home. No, shut up. This is I'm not gonna say a friggin' orphanage, because that's not fine. Why not say orphanage? Of all things, I said orphanage. I have messed up minds, you know? That only gave me like 100. Your poop. Your poop is literally poop at this point. If I were to go on Amazon and look up real poop, I'm not going to, it would be labeled $7. So your poop is worth actual poop. Don't ask me how I know it's $7. I don't even know. I need to get something. Oh yeah, there's this. I forgot. Oh shit! They're just like piling that one corner. I think one of them is angry. I'm just gonna kill them. Oh my god, they look zombified. Thing. Yes, but they're all in that one corner. Fudge! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Oh, I heard a little cheepy cheep. Gimme, gimme! Ah, ah! Jeez, I'm getting hammered here. Can I just get back to that you? Scary, scary boys! I don't have a poker fruit. You guys can fight over this one. Fight to the death over that. Fight to the death over it and give me something. Yeah, it's the lucky winner. You, my sir, the lucky winner. Now give me your shit. Not you! This is double the shit as that double. More! It's more double! What's this? Oh, it's just definitions. I've never seen them before. I feel like I need to get some food for my boys. My awesome boys here. So, water tank. Now where? Make a splash. If there's an angry boy, cool him off with water splash. That script is a little exotic. Does any of you have a water bottle around here? Like one of those things for me dying? Any water bottles? I need water. A water bottle. I'm at 22 minutes here, but probably not for you guys. There's water! There's water bottles sprouting from the ground. Let me get that. There's also rock quartz. Oh my god. There's lots of food here too. And there's chickens. Look at all those chickens! Oh frick, I don't want you. Oh yeah. 20. So this is how it works. Food. That's the wrong thing. It works like, woohoo! That's... I swear, I only picked up like a couple ounces. I'm not sure that's... Never mind. Chicken boy. I feel sorry for you. Picking you up. You're once a cute little boy, but now you're gonna be lunch meat. From Cassie. What, did I even pick it up? Either that or it imploded out of the universe. I don't know. Jeez, they're just flying all over the place. Hey, any of you had no prickles. You had no prickles. Prickly, prickly boys, I thought you were a thing. Ow, my head! You gave me a concussion. There's more. I swear, where are they coming from? You did already pick them up. Oh yeah, this is the taffy area. Oh, where did this come from? Did this grow from a tree? What in the world? So in fact, slimes grow on trees. Frick. No! Hey, there's more water over here, luckily. More water. What's up here? Treasure cracker. Let's do... My boys. My beautiful baby boys. No. Oh, crap! No! No! You look sad. There's more birds. Ruddy birds. Petty birds. Petty boys. I'm not the Jacksepticeye. Do not forget me. Free ration. I don't know what I got. What was that achievement for? Achievement. Free ration. Hey, at least I'm racking up achievements on Steam. You little. Okay, need a scout from a high rate. Anything I missed? No. What are you doing here? Any more poop? You want me to lower those for you? There you go. I lowered them for you. Whoa. Hey, this works fine. This will work. Also, sorry if I'm personal. I'm kind of stressed right now. I have a lot on my mind. We'll be doing online classes soon, so that's the thing. And obviously, online classes will take away from my gaming time. And not enough. But my boys. Oh frick! Oh no, wait. You guys do eat fruit now. I'll give the one hen to the tabbies over there. I'll give all the poker fruit to these guys since, it'll do more. Boom ports give more than rock ports. I'll maybe spare a few for the other guys. Oh, crap. Spare a few, yeah, I'll spare a few. One for each. Also, I don't want to overflow it, so poop. Oh! Ow! Ow, my brain. My brain had a big thump in it at that moment. And once I get rid of this hen, I'll get back to moving. Did you guys even notice it? You guys? Okay, they noticed it. Go! See, he's talking to you. He wants to be eaten. Get over it. Oh my god. They're actually... There you go. They moved him free up. Yeah, this guy got it. Guys... Oh, thank you. I thought you were just gonna play with them. Don't play with your food. Tabby plort. Why is there no wolfie plorts? Oh my god. Maybe I can overfill this. No, what am I talking about? You can never overfill. Scare me sometimes. What was the button for the... Wait, no, I don't have that ability yet. Yeah, maybe getting a little too over. Ow! Okay, I just want to get to the floor. Stop it! Where did that thing go? Did I suck it up? What the fuck? How the hell? How the... What the... You guys were stacking on each other, weren't you? Any more? There's one more in the corner. Wait, what am I talking about? I don't have to be so worried with these guys. They give us a warning. Oh, excuse me. I had Sprite earlier. I mean, lemon lime soda. Lemon lime soda, that's not sponsored. That's 40. Oh my god. 42. Damn, I got lots of goodies. Yeah. Manage DLC. Oh, I forgot I could sleep. But I don't think I want to sleep. I did a 24-hour challenge yesterday. I don't think I want to sleep yet. Okay, I'm awake now. I slept for about a minute and a half there. Eating? Oh my god, what are you guys eating? Oh, there's carrots. Wait, you guys eat carrots that haven't sprouted yet? What? I don't know that. Fudge! Oh, you scared me there. Don't scare me. This isn't a horror game just yet. Gimme. Whoa, where did you go? I swear, yeah! Hey, give me more of your shit. I wish food... Oh, knows. I wish food processed that fast, like where you just eat it just like a minute after you eat it. It's like, comes straight out. What the hell am I talking about at this point? Don't mind me. Me, SansWolfBoi, talking about how food's processed. I heard, whoa, come on! I got it. I keep hearing the freaking poop. SansWolfBoi. I keep hearing the poop. Vote for me. I keep hearing the poop. I said, oh my god! What in the world? How the... Oh, it was a phosphor. Never mind. He was just carrying him. Hey, do you guys have any more stuff? Oh, I heard some more. No, I don't want you guys. Oh! I mean, I don't really need it, but I'll take it. Ah! Where'd it go? Ah! So from you guys. Jeez, my head sickles. I'm kind of racking up money right here just to kind of, Ow! Ow! My brain! Is there a poop right there? No, it's just you little ugly shit. I've never picked up a rock slime. Excuse me. Boy, you're trying to eat me! I'm not food! Oh! My brain! I'm gonna get mid-concussions today. Mid-concussions. Ow. Ow! My brain! I did get away from you guys. You guys are... I'm sorry for cursing, but stress is not a thing I could go away from. Why am I just spiraling? Oh yeah, that's why. Because I saw this. I swear, Wait, where the... I almost made it completely... Where? There you go. Wait for it to refill, then woo... Oh god. Maybe I went too fast. Hey, any more? Oh my god. So much fecal matter! Oh, I have it all sucked up. Woo! I'm home! Ew. Just barely 70 to 700. That's still good. Woohoo! So, heart module, power core, ooh, tank booster. I have just enough for both of those. So that's great. Next dash boots on the heart You guys eat everything, and oh, there we go. You eat everything. You guys also eat everything. I'll get more stuff for you guys. Did more? You guys fall out? Okay, no, you're still in there. So, that guy's already hungry. Fudge! Oh, ow, ow, ow! Oh my god! They did like 25 damage per... Ooh, oh my god. No, I wanted to build. Oh no, wait, no, I don't. Ooh, now I can run extra long. Man, I wish I had that much energy for running. I only have enough energy for like 10 points of those. How long are we at here? 35 minutes of me doing this. It's gonna be shorter for you. Again. Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. I like how he's coming back here just like a lot. It's like, good, he's gone now. Now he can finally shit in peace. That's another slime. Oh god, where'd I go? I'm seeing weird stuff on the ground. Oh, that's right, it's just diarrhea. Oh no, I need you. Oh, where'd you go? I need more food. You're just rolling down the hill. Hey, can I get one of you guys? Whoa, where'd you come from? You sprouted from the ground. Okay, then, let's get back to things. More poop! Oh, did I just suck up the chick? Okay, I didn't. I don't want to suck up the chicks. They don't eat the chicks, which is very good. This game has a slight sense of, don't eat this. Which is good for me and my heart. Because are you fucking kidding me? Where is he? It's just, oh my god! That's what the water does. It kills these guys. Was that all? Oh! I fucking saved you guys. Why the hell? Ow! I freaking saved you guys. Why are you hurting me? You just can't stop fucking me. Ah! Ah! Why? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right. I can get more now. I'm just not gonna do that because I know I have fans that are from the UK. I'm not gonna do impressions unless it's perfect. I know it's gonna piss them off. No offense, Image, but your voice is epic. But I'm just sad. I was waiting for him to eat it, so I was like, he didn't want to, so I just took it. Time to go back home. Woo! I sure didn't get that much. Oh, carrots. it up, please? I'm gonna suck. I'm gonna suck a suck. Ah, I sucked a suck. There you go. I'm sucking a suck. Quote. Another quote from me. Did you guys eat any more? No? You have full tummies? I can't tell. You look completely same size, but I'm not gonna judge. Eight carrots! You're a great-ass little lady. I forgot about this area. You guys will never be forgotten. Until it comes to part 7025 of this game, then I'll forget about you. Whoa, it disappeared! It didn't go on my— Ow! Again, my brain. Oh. Ah! Got off my head! I collected 16 from that. Oh! I saw that guy. Oh! Maybe that's what died. I saw a phosphor guy die. I should get some of you guys. Any more chickens? Is there literally no more chickens? Chickens are going extinct here! Oh my god! Oh, there's a little chickie. Stay safe, my guy. Yeah, he wishes me luck. Chickadee-doo-dah-day. Now that I have some... No, I need a... What I need to do first is to go, get rid of my stocks. Then I'll go back to Indigo Quarry. Probably, maybe bring a little bit of food along. A little bit. So, like, in case, if I don't want to bring all 17, because if I spit them out all there, everyone's gonna eat it, and then everyone's gonna eat that, and everyone else gonna eat the floors, and then just turn into a bigger thing. Probably. Hey, 8 more, but I can't necessarily pick those up. Actually, no, yeah, I can. I can pick up some of these. Can I please go by? Please, can I just do my thing without you trying to hug me every single moment of my life? Oh, I heard more. No, wait, I forgot. I'm getting so used to that sound. Nice. Nice. Woohoo! Oh crap, wrong thing. Wrong thing. Ah! Again, my brain. I saved you from that explosion, guy. I didn't mean to pick one of those. But okay. Pulse wave, that's the upgrade I was looking for. But I can't necessarily do it now. So you guys can have some of that. Nah, I think I'll just... No, I need to take some of this. Take some of that for a second. I'll take some of your food a little bit. Oh wait, you already ate all of it? Oh my god. I'll put Poga Fruit in here. Oh wait, oh, just realized. Boom. Fuck. Oh no, I have hens. Woohoo! I can mix you guys with booms. Oh my god! Where'd he go? I just like push you up against this. Oh! My brain, I need to get these back. Remind me. Bro. Just like... Oh, come on! Stop jumping. Okay, there we go. You finally did it. Where... Oh, okay. Then. Okay, let's see. My god, they're happy boys. Oh, they're delusional boys now. Oh, they're cute. They're cute! They're so adorable! They're cute little boys. There's a chicken over there if you want one. They're adorable little boys. Whee! How much tabbies? 21. And 40. They went down! Oh, come on. You get back to where you belong. Over there. What's this over here? I've never seen this. Oh, it's a little shortcut over here. Wait. Victor Humphreys. What is this? Have I even seen this area? I don't think I have. I need some carrots. Ow. Oh my god, I heard the death of some chickens. Oh my god, there... Where is that one chicken? Did it just die? Oh, that's a rooster. Oh god. How brutal. Okay, I need you guys to stop hoarding. Okay. Oh! He ate it, then he didn't sprout. Anything. I think they're falling. Ah! Oh my god, you guys need to get out of that area. Actually. Oh my god! I think I suck at that. Oh yeah, and the playlist of this game will be in the description, so you can see I only did 2 episodes of this. It was after the second episode when I realized that this is not going to work for my kind of recording studio, since my editing sucks. And stop. And since those parts were like 30 minutes long, and I got what I should have got done did not even get done in those 2 episodes. What I'm getting done is from that stuff is probably from here, which I probably even won't do in this episode. Well, the thing I did was unlock Indigo Quarry, which was a big thing, but still not that much progress. You know, yeah, there is no ending to this. There is no ending to this game. Well, there is, but there's no. This game basically has unlimited stuff, like you keep racking up money and stuff. But there's a story to this game that does have an ending, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get to that because I just don't know if I'll just be able to. I'm not that skilled. Ah, I got rid of all of that in all my power resource. Fuck. I need just a little bit more, then I can afford both those things. Which you guys must have. Stop for me. Woohoo! Yeah, that should be enough. For now. That should be enough. And if it's not, then... Yeah, we did it. We got it. So we did get, oh, I'm a tired boy right now. So we did get, all things except for Pulse Wave, because that appeared while I was kind of doing my stuff. Oh! Ow, that still hit me! Oh my god, they have long range for days. Where'd the other guy go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh no. Where is he? Where's that? Okay, there he is. How the hell? I need a guy. Oh! Oh my god, they're bouncy ass boys. Rad. There's rad now. And there's gold, which have a lot. That's gold. I don't know what to do, but it was somewhere in there. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna leave this part here. I've been recording for 50 minutes now, and I'll do my best to edit the video out to your guys' favor. Hope you like it. Oh my god, that's piled up in there. Never mind. Yeah, I hope you guys like it again. I do not. I have way too much food. Oh my god. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. So, bye. Oh god. So, see ya.